Imagine if every time you got a haircut, your hair could decide to grow back in a style from the 18th century, or perhaps in a futuristic cut yet to be seen. This might sound like science fiction, but for planarian flatworms, their remarkable regenerative abilities allow them to do something quite similar. When parts of their bodies are injured or removed, they not only regenerate these parts, but sometimes these new parts resemble those of their distant evolutionary cousins. Central to this phenomenon is something called bioelectricity, a force that not only powers our heart and brain, but may also carry echoes of evolutionary history. Bioelectricity refers to the patterns of electrical charges across cells that are vital for various biological processes, including cellular communication and growth. In planarians, these bioelectric signals play a pivotal role during regeneration, guiding how and what forms from stem cells at the site of injury. Researchers, by experimenting with a common planarian species, Gerardia doratocephala, found that blocking normal bioelectric communication among cells using a substance called octanol led to the extraordinary. The flatworms began regenerating head shapes that mirrored not just their own species' typical morphology, but also those of species distantly related by up to 100 million years of evolution. More interestingly, heads resembling species more closely related to G. doratocephala appeared with much higher frequency than those of distant relatives. This leads us to the concept of bioelectric memory. This idea suggests that the cells of these flatworms might retain a kind of memory, encoded not in their DNA, but in their bioelectric patterns, which reflects their evolutionary lineage. This memory might guide the regeneration process, influencing it to default to more familiar, evolutionarily recent forms and less disrupted. The implications of such findings are vast. In evolutionary biology, this could suggest new layers of understanding how traits are inherited and how species evolve over millennia. In medicine, understanding how bioelectric signals influence cell behavior could one day revolutionize regenerative medicine and wound healing, providing us with ways to better guide the regeneration of tissues and organs. In broader terms, such research challenges our understanding of memory and inheritance. It hints at a world where biology remembers and echoes its past forms, not just through DNA, but through an intricate dance of electrical signals. The study of planarian regeneration opens a window not only onto their world, but also into our own biological heritage and possibilities. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of bioelectricity, we might find more than just new ways to heal. We might discover fundamental new insights into what it means to live, grow, and evolve. The past, it seems, is not only written in our genes, but also in the electric currents that animate our cells.